So our AI 3.0 will help a dealer automate their media mix by taking their advertising budget and combining them with the downstream performance at different media channels. So not just impressions and clicks, which we can do too, but we want to make sure we're measuring the results of every ad buy. So what visits are coming in, the VDP views, and leads that are being generated. And we pull that in all on a daily basis. And then we tie that performance we get at a channel level to their ad budgets to determine how much investment we should be making in every individual channel. And that investment will change on a daily basis to help optimize that media mix daily based on changes we're seeing in the market or changes in performance to make sure we're reallocating effectively so that every dollar we spend on advertising is spent as effectively as possible. We saw that dealers using our AI 3.0 system were getting 7% more visits for every dollar they spent on advertising. And so 7% more visits is nice, but it's nothing to write home about. For us, the real performance improvements we saw was in the engagement from each one of those additional visits. So for dealers who used our AI 3.0 system, they saw 52% more leads and 54% more VDP views for every dollar they spent on advertising. So dealers who were using our AI 3.0 were seeing more visits, and those more visits were generating many more leads and many more VDP views because they were more engaged. And that's because we were reaching somebody by showing them the right message, reaching them on the right media channels.